وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
If someone comes right now, looks at me and says, Haifaa, 10 p.m. you're going to be dead. Is that possible? Of course. Do I know when I'm dying? Do you know when you are going to leave? So Allah gave me a 3 hours and 15 minutes warning. What I'm going to do with them? I'm going to go and watch TV. I am going to go and get my coffee. I am going to go and just sleep because there's nothing else to do. What I'm going to do? Everything I can do in this 3 and 15 minutes that I need to do, that all my life I said one day I'll do them. Then you are ready to go. وَالْإِسْتِعْدَادُ لِيَوْمِ الرَّحِيلِ. Get ready. And don't tell me age. Age has nothing to do with the day we are leaving. There's people who died. When I went in the earthquake, the grandmother was 60, she's alive talking to me. And the girl, 10 years old, she died. So taqwa, Allah is always in my mind. Like we're always so aware of people. We are always aware of people. This needs to change. You are always aware of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.